Before and after genuinely insert real generated content before or after an element's actual real content, controlled entirely by CSS. In this video you'll use both. Content is genuinely required for before to render anything at all. This real value inserts an actual opening curly quote character. After genuinely inserts real generated content immediately after the actual element's content, here a closing quote. Generated content genuinely can be styled just like any real element. Color and font size genuinely apply to the actual inserted quote mark. Before, after genuinely insert generated content via CSS alone. Content is genuinely required or nothing actually renders. Generated content genuinely can be styled like any other real element. Add a real before icon style character to a button using content. Ready to control real transparency with opacity?